in this video, I'll show you how to track your FedEx package online. First of all, you need to go to the Google search and write this simple keyword in the Google, track FedEx order, and you need to open the first result. When you go to the FedEx official website, here will be a few options to track your order. First of all, you can track it by tracking number. You can also track by reference, track by TCN, or obtain proof or delivery. So if you have got a tracking number, you can go to the tracking number, and right here you can enter your order tracking number. By the way, you can enter up to 30 of your FedEx tracking, door tag, or FedEx office order numbers, one per line. So you can enter the first one, you can enter the second one, third one, etc. Then click the track button, and if it's valid tracking number, you will see the location of your order. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.